Hi, welcome along, and in today's video we're going way back with a rock and roll classic from Johnny Kidd and the Pirates from 1960. Here's a thing known as Shakin' All Over. What a great rock and roll song. I do hope you like it. If you do, don't forget to click like and subscribe, as it helps me grow the channel, which in turn helps me get to bring you more guitar-based tutorials. So, if you're ready, go grab your guitar. I'll meet you back here in 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Right, so first off, let me take you through how to play the riff, the bit that goes. So first off, what we've got, we're going to third finger, 3rd fret on the E string. We're going to hold that down and then upstroke. So that was a downstroke. Upstroke is with the E string open. And then we're going to do the same thing with the 3rd fret of the B string, then open. So far we've got, and then we're going to move across 2nd finger to the 2nd fret of the G string, then open, and then 2nd fret of the D string, then open, and then E minor. Yeah, so we've got, but obviously that back on would be part of the E minor. Okay, so that's how you play the intro. If you was just to play that as a lead player and not a rhythm player, you could just land down on your 2nd finger and play that note on its own without going to the chord. But if you was playing on your own, then you would land it as the E minor. Okay, so just to clear that confusion up. So one more time. 3rd E string, open. 3rd B string, then open. 2nd G string, then open. And then 2nd D string, then open. And then back on again. Or E minor if you was playing the chord there. Okay, so that's the riff. Now the song is in the key of E minor, so we're going to need the chords of E minor, and then we've got A minor. They're the chords, just 2 chords. And strum pattern wise, we could get away with, it's hard to hear an actual strum pattern in the song, obviously there is one. We could do just 4 downstrokes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Maybe slightly muted if you want to, slightly on the edge of the hand. That work? When you move in right up close to me, that's when I get the shakes all over me. And then we've got the up bit. Keeping it down here for the rhythm part. Bom, down the tremolo bit. I'll show you that in a moment. Just give me 1 second. Then we're going to move down to the A minor. Quivers down the backbone. A minor. I got the E minor to the knee bone. Down, down, where the tremors in the thigh bone. A minor. E minor. Shaking all over. That's all there is to it. Okay, so it's E minor to A minor. One more time. When you're moving, this is E minor. E minor, that's when I get the shakes all over me. E minor. Boom, quivers down the back. A minor. I got the E minor to boom, 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 then A minor to the backbone down. Shaking all over. That's it. That's the song. E minor, A minor. If you wanted to, maybe you could put in a down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. There's another variation of a strum pattern you can do. Like that, you know. just a down, up strum pattern. Right, let's get to the meaty bits. Let's get into the quivers down the back. No, the bit that goes that bit. So what we've got, so we've got when you move it right up close to me, that's when I get the shakes all over me. What that is, that's an E minor chord. We're going to hold down literally in a straight line at the 12th fret, the G string, B string and the E string in a straight line like that, and we're going to, with the tremolo arm, vibrato the strings. So in that, just shake the tremolo arm. Quivers down the backbone. Then we've got a B minor shape. So B minor shape. There we go. Up on the 12th fret. So that's first finger 12th fret, second finger 13th fret B, and then on the 14th fret D string we've got our third finger, and then on the 14th fret G string we've got our little finger, and that's going to be, as you play it, bring the arm in, and then back to the E minor again, and then back to the B minor shape, which is an A minor up on the 12th fret. Shaking all over. That's it. That's it. So let me show you that one more time. So we've got quivers. That's how it's like, quivers down the backbone. And then we've got the B minor shape up on the 12th fret, which is going to give us the chord of A minor. There we go. Just play the 4 strings though, don't play any more. Just the D string, G string, B string and E string. That's all. And then back to the E minor again. That's all there is to it. So it goes between the E minor, which is in a line on the 12th fret, and the B minor shape, which is an A minor, up on the 12th fret. And then doing a bit of vibrato on the tremolo arm. Okay, right, so the guitar solo, here we go. So how it goes is, so let me show you how that's done. So first off, what we've got is a little bit of bat and ball between the open E string and a slide between the 4th and the 5th fret of the B string. So we got that. So that's all it does. It goes down on the, you pick down on the B string and up on the E string. So we've got, and then that's open B. So after each phrase, you've got an open B. So we've got, and then one more time open B, and then we go back into it. And then we go down for the F shape, but we're going to be on the 5th fret of the, so F shape in the 5th fret, 5th position, and we're going to play the D string, then the G string, little finger, 7th fret E string, then take it off, then twice on the 8th fret of the B string with your little finger, and then take it off. So one more time. And then we're going to play down, put a little finger back on and play down from the D string downwards. Then take your little finger off. Then 8th fret B string. And then off again. So let me take you through that again. So we've got, Got it? And then we're going to bend up on the 7th fret of the B string. So 3 times. So that's 3 times on the 7th fret of the B, bent up. Then 1st finger, 5th fret B, 2nd fret, 2nd finger, sorry, on the 6th fret of the G string. So you got that. So let's bring you up to this point. So we've got, so that's the F shape. And then again. And then we've got this bit that goes. So let me just bring you that into that bit. So that bit goes, if you put your 2nd finger now on the 5th fret of the B string, and then you want your little finger on the 7th fret of the G, and then your 1st finger on the 4th fret of the G. So we've got, and then we're going to slide. So let's take you through that phrase again. Okay, so what I want to do now, I want to bring you into everything we've played so far in slow motion. Okay, so we've got the slide. Then open, and then one more time, and then we go back into it. And then we've got the bit that's the F shape. And we're going to play the D string and the G string, and then little finger on the 7th fret of the E, which was the 8th fret going to the 5th fret of the B. And now we're going to play down with our little finger on the 7th fret of the E. So that was playing down, then taking it off, and then 8th fret of the B, and then 5th fret of the B, and then we've got our 3rd finger going to go on the 7th fret of the B. We're going to bend up, then 5th fret of the B with our 1st finger, 6th fret of the G with our 2nd finger, and then we're gonna be with our 2nd finger. We're gonna move back and put our 2nd finger on the 5th fret of the B, 7th fret G, 4th fret G. Then we're going to play a F chord on the 7th fret of the 7th position, and we're going to go down, play that D string, and then we're going to put our little finger on the 9th fret of the E string, and we're going to play down, then take it off, then 10th fret of the B, then take it off, 7th fret of the B, and then play the G string, and then play the D string. So we've got in that all together goes, and then we're going to bring that exactly what we did there. We're going to do it in the 5th position. Okay, so we got, which was when we're playing it in the 5th position. That's going to be the 3rd finger playing the 7th fret of the D, and then play down, little finger on, and then we're going to be back to that bat and ball thing between the slide and the open E. And then we've got the bit that goes, which is twice on the 9th fret of the G, twice on the 12th fret of the E, twice on the 10th fret of the E, and then twice on the 12th fret of the B, and then once on the 9th fret of the G. So we've got, and then we've got that. Okay, so that is the guitar solo. So we've got, so there we have it, Shakin' All Over by the great Johnny Kidd and the Pirates. How did you get along? Let me know down in the comments section below, along with any other song suggestions that you may have for songs you'd like me to show you how to play in a future video. If you've liked today's video, please can you do me a massive favour? Click like and subscribe for me. It helps me grow the channel and it helps me get to bring you more guitar-based tutorials. So until we meet again guys, take great care of yourselves. See you again in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.